Here's where you can find the Equalizer 10 band settings for your Poco phone, whether it's a Xiaomi or Poco phone with Android 15 HyperOS 2. Not all phones will have this, but if it does, here's where you can go to find it. There's two ways to go about finding this here. One is the fast way. Let's just say you pull down your quick access here. You will look for the Dolby Atmos toggle, which is this one here. And if it's available, simply long press it and it'll take you straight into the sound effects section here. You'll see Dolby Atmos right there, graphic equalizer, and you'll tap here. That's going to take you straight to the equalizer settings section. Now, the other way is, let's just say you don't see the Dolby Atmos here. You can use a quick access once again, go into the settings, then you'll look for the sound section here where it says sound and vibration. Once here now, you'll go down until you see the sound effects, this right here. And under the sound effects section here, you will notice one, there's an option to go with either these two here, Xiaomi Sound or Dolby Atmos, but you'll always have access to the graphic equalizer right there. And this will take you to the presets as well as the bands to the bottom here. And of course, you can choose from the different ones here as presets, or just go with the custom here where you can make changes to it onto how you like it, or if you know how to go about using this. And that's that. Like and sub.